Want to hide a Facebook post without deleting it? Most people don't know Facebook lets you change post privacy anytime. This trick is perfect for cleaning your profile quietly. Let me show you the 2026 approved way to hide posts instantly. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and privacy-focused Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, hide posts from your Facebook timeline. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and sign in. This method works smoothly on both Android and iPhone. Make sure the app is updated to avoid missing options. Stay on the main screen to begin. Step 2. Find the 3-line menu icon in the top corner of the app. This section gives access to your profile and account tools. Open the menu to continue navigating. From here, move directly to your profile. Step 3. Enter your Facebook profile and scroll through your timeline. Identify the post you want to hide from public view. This could be an old memory or a recent update. Keep the post visible on screen. Step 4. Open the 3-dot options menu on that specific post. From the available choices, select Edit Privacy. This option controls who can see that post. You're now one step away from hiding it. If this privacy trick is useful, tap the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook and social media hacks. These small actions help the channel grow and reach more people. Step 5. Change the audience setting to Only Me. This instantly hides the post from everyone else. The post stays saved but becomes completely private. Your timeline is now cleaner and more secure. Boom, privacy activated. Your Facebook post is hidden, not deleted. Managing who sees your content is a power move in 2026. Small privacy changes can make a big difference in how your profile looks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook privacy and profile cleaning tips. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.